Hi everybody! Welcome back sa ating formal discussion ng iyong ultimate guide for medical nursing abbreviations and nursing acronyms. Ngayon, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung very first upload natin, yung other videos natin under dito sa playlist na to na tinatawag kong cheat sheet, where I create a very short videos for you to serve as your study guide. Panoorin mo yung playlist na yon, ililink ko siya dyan sa description box or whenever this icon button pops out, I'll be putting the links there. Alright? So, check that one out. Now, huwag na tayo magpatupik-tupik pa kasi mabilis lang to, very short video lang to. But before that, pampalaki charm, kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, if you're new here, my name is Galve and I create nursing educational videos for nursing students. I do have a degree in medical surgical nursing, master's degree in medical surgical nursing, and I'm a registered nurse for almost like 9 years now. So, if you are interested in that, please make sure that you follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Bakit may airplane? O, diba? Kung hindi ka pa subscribe, make sure na mag-subscribe ka na because I'll be posting 2 videos every week. And follow me on all my other social media accounts. Everything is at Galve except for my TikTok account, which is Galve Official. Also, please spread the news about my channel by sharing my videos, telling to your friends because sharing is caring. Sa mga nagre-review dyan para sa mga upcoming tests, quizzes, and especially sa mga board exams, NCLEX, I also create tons of nursing educational materials for you guys. So please, from the intermediate, from the school level to the more advanced level, we have nursing leadership. So, makakatulong sa inyo yan, alright? Let me give you a very quick differentiation between abbreviations and acronyms. Now, abbreviations are shortened forms of written words or phrases used in a place of the whole. Example nito, yung vol. Diba? VOL for volume. Acronyms naman are words formed from the initial letter of each of the successive parts or major parts of a compound term. Example, WBC, CBC, complete blood count, white blood count, yung mga ganon. Okay? Medical abbreviations were made to quickly but accurately document things in nursing. Now, here's a list of medical terminologies that you should know that I actually created for you. So, hindi ito yung unang video natin. Makakasa kayo na mas marami tayong idalagay na medical nursing abbreviation. Ngayon, kung may suggestion ka na gusto mo pasama dito sa ating video, ilagay mo siya sa comment section sa baba. Pero magsimula na tayo. Eto na. We have, first of all, your capital letter A, dot, capital letter M, dot. Or you may also see this as small letter A, dot, small letter M, dot. Or simply capital A, M, or small letter AM, which means morning. Once again, that's AM, which stands for morning. We have your small letter A, M, B. Once again, that's A, M, B, which means ambulation, walking, ambulatory. Once again, that is A, M, B. This abbreviation means ambulation, walking, ambulatory. Next, you have your medical abbreviation, small letter A, M, T, period. That's small letter A, M, T, period. This means amount. Amount. Once again, that's A, M, T, period, which means amount. Amount. Next, we have capital letter A, P. Or you may also see it as capital A, period, capital P, period. This abbreviation means appendectomy. Appendectomy. Once again, that is A, P, or A dot P dot. This means appendectomy. Appendectomy. Next abbreviation we have aqua. Aqua. This means water or H2O, which is the chemical composition. Once again, that's aqua. Aqua. This means water or H2O. Next we have at. At, which means at. At. Once again, that is at symbol means at. Next we have capital A P P R O X dot. Approx. Approx, which is a shortened term or what's this acronym for approximately. Approximately. Again, that is approx dot, which means approximately. Next you have capital B and B. BNB, or you may also see it as small letter BR, or the doctors and other nurses, professionals may also write it as capital B dot capital R dot, or a small letter of B dot small letter R dot. BNB or BR, which means bed rest. This means bed rest. BR stands for bed rest. Next you have your BSC. Capital BSC or small letter BSC. This means bedside commode. Bedside commode. Once again, that's BSC, which stands for bedside commode. Next, now this is very famous for all of you guys, and this is our last acronym for this video. Centigrade. Centigrade, which means Celsius degree or centigrade. Once again, that's Celsius degree or centigrade. Thank you so much you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more nursing educational videos. Let me know if you have other nursing topics that you want us to do. Comment it down below. I'll see you again after 2 days from now for the next upload natin. Now, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this to the the other nursing professionals out there who is looking for study materials na magagamit nila sa nursing. Na tulungan nyo na nga ako, ipamalitan nyo na sa Radyong Sira, pinakabago, pinaka-fresh at pinaka-libreng nursing review center sa balat ng YouTube. And I'll see you again next week. You have a good one.